Hi guys, welcome to today's live session by Simplilearn. I will be starting soon. Let's just wait for people to join. Today, we are going to discuss a very exciting topic on DevOps. Okay, great. I can see a lot of people have joined. Welcome guys to this live session. Now, without further delay, let's go ahead and start with this session on top 10 reasons to learn DevOps. Also, before I begin, please do hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update. So, today we will be talking about one of the booming technologies used, which is DevOps. We will first look into what is DevOps, then we are going to dive deep and understand the top 10 reasons why you should learn DevOps. We have a quiz for you in this session and one lucky winner gets a chance to win an Amazon voucher. So, stay tuned for that. Towards the end of this session, we have a question and answer session where I will be addressing your queries. So, do feel free to put your questions in the chat section. And finally, I will tell you how Simplilearn can help you build a career in DevOps. So, what is DevOps? DevOps is a collaboration between the development and operation teams which enables continuous delivery of applications and services to our end users. Before DevOps, there was a lot of communication gap between the development and operation teams. The code that used to work fine on the development side would create a lot of errors on the operation side. This in fact led to a lot of issues. The biggest issue was the delay in project delivery. The solution to this was DevOps. In DevOps, the operation and development engineers participate together in the entire lifecycle, from the design through the development process to the delivery of the software to the end users. It enhances the process to deliver the software faster and a software of high quality. If there is any bug or error, it is fixed at the right time rather than dragging it to the last phase. Let's now look into the 10 reasons why you should learn DevOps. So, at number 10, we have technical, cultural, and business benefits of DevOps. Let me explain each benefit one by one. So first we have the technical benefits. Continuous software delivery is the most important process of delivering the software in smaller increments to ensure that the software can be released at any time. With this approach of DevOps, the team will always be ready on delivering anytime. It has the benefit of having less complex problems to fix. The code is tested at every stage and both the development and operation teams make sure that the complexity is reduced to a great extent. DevOps also has the benefit of faster and easier resolution to every problem. If any bug or error is found at an earlier stage, it is fixed and then moved on to the next stage. Hence, this way at the final stage, there will be zero or minimum number of bugs. Moving forward, let's look into the cultural benefits of DevOps. The workload is divided equally between all the employees, so no individual is under the pressure to code, test, debug an entire software. This results in a team that is happy and more productive. Since DevOps is a collaboration between the development and operation teams, if any issue arises on one side, the team is always ready to help. And the employees are engaged to make sure that the software is as the end user requires and hence is delivered at the set date. DevOps helps in increasing the professional development opportunities. Finally, let's look into the business benefits of DevOps. The basic principles of DevOps, that is automation, continuous delivery, and quick feedback cycle, aim to make the software development process faster and more efficient. Being an extended version of agile methodology, DevOps ensures that the complete software development lifecycle goes smoothly. By promoting collaboration between the teams, DevOps offers continuous feedback so that the errors are fixed in time and the releases are done faster. These days, the development teams need to break down the interdepartmental constraints and collaborate, as well as communicate in a dynamic, round-the-clock environment. DevOps gives a way to improve the business agility by providing an environment of mutual collaboration, communication, and integration across the various teams in an IT organization. All the team members are responsible for meeting the quality and timeline of the software deliverables. With DevOps, organizations can improve the deployment frequency, recovery rates, and hence result in a lower failure rate. With every new release, it is possible to ensure the reliability and stability of an application. When applications perform flawlessly in the market, organizations reap the benefits of greater customer satisfaction. At the 9th position, we have work with good developers. Poor code is all too common. Sadly, users arrive at the realization when it's too late. The fact is, some developers are good at what they do, while others have poor coding skills. A team of software developers consists of excellent, good, average, and poor developers. It is important that the bad codes generated by many developers need to be stopped, else it may increase the production time. DevOps helps in reducing the bad code limits, as the bad code cannot go to the next phase until it is fixed. Also, a team member who is terrible at coding could be good at any other different roles and vice versa. Retasking team members earlier in the process prevent wastage of time and resources. So, in this way, DevOps eliminates bad developers and ensures that the team comprises of good developers. Next, at 8th position, we have increased efficiency. Due to increment in efficiency level, it results in speeding up the process of development and also makes it error-free. DevOps can also increase efficiency through automation. There are many ways to automate tasks in DevOps. DevOps allows engineers to focus on those tasks which are not automated. There are certain tools of acceleration that increase the efficiency. They are the cloud-based platforms or other scalable infrastructure which help in increasing the access of the team to the hardware resources and hence speeds up the process of testing and deployment operations. With the use of build acceleration tools, the code compiles faster. There may be a process that helps in embedding parallel workflows into the continuous delivery chain so that the delays are avoided. Moving on, at 7th position, we have a better organizational culture. With the help of DevOps, there has been an improvement in software development. The development and operation teams are more focused on performing together rather than having separate goals. The team is more focused on production. If both the teams are combined, it will result in innovative ideas in a very efficient and effective manner. There is improved collaboration and communication between the team members. DevOps facilitates better understanding among the team members, and this understanding increases worker morale. Next, at the 6th position, there is faster release of software. It is true that DevOps makes the process of software development agile, hence it leads to the timely release of the software. Companies can quickly study the behavior of users and incorporate the changes to come up with a better product. This, in turn, helps the organization to stay competitive. There is a reduction in rollbacks and failure rates regarding deployment and the time that is taken to recover with better products. DevOps reduces the time for cycles of development and also ensures a faster rate of innovation. At position 5, we have better knowledge of software delivery lifecycle. Once you get to know about DevOps, you will get a lot of information about the software delivery lifecycle. It is divided into main phases like planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing and integration, and maintenance. In the plan phase, initially there should be a plan for the type of application that needs to be developed. Getting a rough picture of a development process is always a good idea. In analysis, a detailed study of requirements is done to check whether all the requirements are available or not. The list of all the requirements like human resources, hardware, software required to accomplish this project successfully will be clearly analyzed and listed out here. In the design phase, the whole project is divided into modules, each module into submodules by drawing some diagrams using unified modeling language. A pseudocode will be prepared at this phase. In the implementation phase, the application is coded as per the end user requirements. Coder now has the task to do the coding. Developers will develop the actual source code by using the pseudocode and following the coding standards. The testing and integration phase is the most important step of the application development. Here, the application is tested and rebuilt if necessary. The multiple modules of codes from different programmers are finally integrated into one. Then finally, the application is developed and delivered to the end users. The final phase is maintenance. Once the client starts using the developed software, then the real issues start coming up. In this stage, the team is required to fix the issues, roll out new features, and refine the functionalities as required. At the fourth position, we have boost product quality. The concept of DevOps does not allow mistakes in the stage of methodology. When both the operation and development stages are done correctly with no errors, then it will result in a release of better and improved product qualities. This leads to a cleaner, more efficient code and hence increases the software quality with each release. The DevOps process brings better quality to the development process and reduces the chances of unplanned work. At the third position, we have exposure to trending technologies and advanced tools. DevOps works with a variety of tools. Few of them are Nagios, Chef, Docker, Git, Selenium, Puppet, Kubernetes, Ansible, and many more. You will get a chance to understand and use all these tools and learn how to design, develop, deploy, and maintain an app or software with the help of these tools. Apart from that, by knowing all things about such software and tools, you can increase your chances of getting hired by the best companies. At the second position, we have increase your professional credibility. By obtaining a DevOps certification, you can increase your professional credibility. This certification will help you to let the others know that you have sufficient skills in monitoring a software's performance, easily write and code with scripts, enhancing the software's security to a greater extent, providing the best IT hardware. You will be able to troubleshoot various issues in the software. And finally, you will be able to connect softwares, databases, and much more to ensure effective functionality. 42% of companies are now preferring open source jobs and want candidates with DevOps skills. So, if you want to become a part of developing the DevOps job market, then this is the perfect time to start getting DevOps training. And finally, the top reason to learn DevOps is to get a perfect job and increase your salary. DevOps is a very popular career choice now. Researchers have also shown that in the coming years, DevOps will be the main hiring criteria for 46% of the IT companies. However, they are not sufficient experts who can match the requirements. That's why there are massive opportunities for candidates seeking DevOps jobs. Besides, when it comes to salary, you can earn a lot of money. On an average, a DevOps professional gets a pay of $99,604 per annum in the United States, and a DevOps professional in India gets an average salary of 6,02,000 rupees per annum. Now, let me recap and call out all the 10 reasons for learning DevOps once again. At number 10, we had the technical, cultural, and business benefits of DevOps. At number 9, we had work with good developers. At number 8, we had increased efficiency. At number 7, we had a better organizational culture. At number 6, we had faster release of software. Then, at 5th position, we had better knowledge of the software delivery lifecycle. At the 4th position, we had boost product quality. And at 3rd position, we had exposure to trending technologies and advanced tools. At the 2nd position, we had increase your professional credibility. And finally, at the top position, we had get a perfect job and increase your salary. With that, let's come to the most exciting part of this session today, which is the quiz. So, brace yourself and answer it correctly, as one amongst you stands a chance to win an Amazon voucher. So here is the question. Which of the following is not a crucial step in DevOps lifecycle? Your options are as follows. A. Integration. B. Monitoring. C. Agile development. Or is it D. Configuration? Do put your answers in the chat section along with your email ID. You can also put your answers in the comment section. One lucky winner will get an Amazon voucher. We'll share the voucher over email, Also, please subscribe to our channel and find out who the lucky winner is. We will post the name of the winner on our Simplilearn community and will share it as a story. We will be announcing the name of the winner on Monday, that is 20th of April. So, stay tuned for that. Now, let me go ahead and address a few questions that our viewers have been asking. I can see a lot of questions in the chat window. Okay, so one of the questions I can see here is programming knowledge necessary for getting a job in the DevOps field? Yes, knowledge of programming is absolutely necessary to land yourself a job in DevOps. You should have good hands-on experience working with C, C++ or Java, and this will help you write codes to build various applications and automate tasks. So another question someone is asking is, how is Agile development methodology different from DevOps? Well, Agile development methodology involves continuous development and testing in the software development lifecycle process. It focuses on iterative, incremental, and step-by-step development of an application, while DevOps is a culture that promotes collaboration between the development and operation teams. This allows faster automatic deployment of code to the production server. It helps to increase an organization's speed to deliver applications and services. There's one more question asked by someone. I want to become a DevOps engineer. What are the skills I should learn? So, to become a DevOps engineer, you should have excellent knowledge of programming. It could be in Java, Python, or C++. That is a major prerequisite. Then, you need to have a good understanding of the DevOps lifecycle and the various tools that are used for carrying out different tasks. Some of the tools you should know are Git, Jenkins, Maven, Chef, Puppet, Selenium, Docker, and Kubernetes. Knowledge of cloud-based technologies such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform would be an advantage. So there's another question someone has asked, are there any DevOps certification exams which one can take that would help them grow in their career? Honestly, there is no official certification body who conducts DevOps certification exams, but there are few third-party bodies that provide certifications which have a high demand in the market. You can go for the AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional exam or opt for the Microsoft Certified Azure DevOps Engineer Expert exam. Also, if you're looking for certifications in individual tools, you can choose Docker certification. There is a Certified Kubernetes Administrator program, and there's Jenkins and Puppet certifications exams conducted by the company itself. Now, let me tell you how Simplilearn can help you learn DevOps so that you can start your career in it. So guys, this is the official Simplilearn website, and I'm going to show you the different types of DevOps courses Simplilearn offers. So first is DevOps Engineer. Let's go ahead and look into that. This is a master's program and it has 7+ real-life projects. You can see the course curriculum here, that is Git and GitHub training, DevOps certification training, DevOps on AWS, and more. You can see the learning objectives. The tools covered here are Maven, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, SaltStack, Apache, Jenkins, TeamCity, and many more. You can see the course curriculum. And you can see the electives that you can choose. Okay, let's go back and look at another certification. We had the DevOps certification training. So here you have 56 hours of blended learning, over 10 industry projects with integrated labs, 24 hours of live demos, and you have flexibility to choose the classes. The skills covered are DevOps methodology, version control systems, continuous integration and deployment tools, and Jenkins, TeamCity, Maven, and many more. So you can see the benefits here, the annual salary of a DevOps professional, the companies that are hiring DevOps professional. Then we can see the course curriculum. We have Introduction to DevOps, Version Control Systems, Continuous Integration, Continuous Deployment. Then we have Software and Automation Testing Frameworks. We have Containerization with Docker, and much more. And you can see the various tools that are involved in this. Then we have our industry projects. So guys, in this way, Simplilearn can help you get a DevOps certification. Before I end this session, let me read out the quiz once again for those who missed it. Which of the following is not a crucial step in DevOps lifecycle? Your options are as follows: A. Integration, B. Monitoring, C. Agile development, or is it D. Configuration? Please put your answers in the chat section along with your email ID. You can also answer it in the comment section with your email ID. One lucky winner will win an Amazon voucher. The winner will be announced this Monday, that is 20th of April. Do subscribe to our channel to know who the lucky winner is. We will share the winner's name on our Simplilearn community and put it up as a story. The voucher will be sent to you over the mail, so don't forget to put your email IDs. So that brings us to the end of this live session. We hope you found this informative and helpful. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the Simplilearn channel. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.